Shivaji Group of Institutions online classes. I hope all of you are fine and also healthy. Today I will teach you history chapter first, a period of transition. A period of transitions means in Hindi also called Sankraman Kal. The period of transitions means Sankraman Kal in India, in Europe, in Asia, how the transition of periods time. The topic of this chapters, the topic of this chapters are first sources, second Renaissance, Renaissances, and third point is Reformation. Reformation. Point number first is sources. Sources, the transition, any transitions means, the time period of the transitions means started with the medieval period to modern period. Thus we say the modern period started in Asia and Europe CE 600 to 1500 CE. But in India, the modern period divided into two parts. First, early medieval period, and second, the late medieval period. First, the early medieval period. The early medieval period started 600 to 1200. But in late medieval period, started to 1200 to 1700 CE. Thus we say the medieval period is called also the Middle Age, which is started between the ancient time and in the modern times. Medieval period to modern period, thus we say कि modern period started in India began than that of the Europe, because the British introduced in India the medieval period by the help of the ushers. The medieval period, modern period started with the help of ushers. Thus we say the British introduced in India the modern language, the modern education as the English language. The newly educated class were aware of that time in the new ideas, the new inventions, and the new education. Thus we say in India, the modern periods, in that time the British introduced to Indian people with as the railways, telegraphs, and many others new inventions. So we say the introduction of the railways and transport made the Indian people's life communications easier and faster. Many important persons influenced the life of Indian peoples, that reformers has transferred the life of Indian people in that times. So the number of developments occur in India in the period of Renaissance. The Renaissance period called in India between the 14th century and to the 18th century. So we can say that in the end of Middle Ages, many changes occur in Europe as a feudal system. And a feudal system is that system which affected the life of an ordinary people in that time. A modern, people know a modern types of that is called Renaissance. Renaissance is the second topic of this chapter. Renaissance means, the term Renaissance means literally means rebirth or the revival. यानी टर्म रेनेसांस माने पुनर्जागरण काल मीन्स माने इसका मतलब है रीबर्थ और रिवाइवल माने नव जागरण, जैसे नव जागरण काल भी कहा जाता है. नेक्स्ट, द थर्ड पॉइंट इज रिफॉर्मेशन. Reformation, like the Renaissance, the other sources, other kinds of the Reformation, one is called Reformation, that interrelated in the society. Reformation word means it refers to the movement against certain practices. Thus we say कि Reformation refer the movement against, माने ये movements जो था against था certain practices, माने जो certain निश्चित practices थी, that we call Catholic Church, माने Catholic Church and the authority of the Pope. In that time in Europe, the Pope was the supreme power of that time. So we say that Reformation is the time that people, many changes have occurred in the life in the people of Europe. So today I will explain the topics of first, second and third of this chapter, and in next video I will explain you point number 4. I hope every students have understand. Thank you for attending this class.